The problem is, if I can ask my camera to show you this side, there is a lot of security force. At the moment, of course, the crowd is quiet in the sense that they are not trying to break these barricades. They are not trying to march up to the government offices actually. But a while ago, that was not the case. Some in the crowd were actually trying to break these barricades and try and go over to the other side. At that time, the police was actually forced to use water cannons on the protesters. But all of that, as I said, right now has died down. At the moment, these people are sitting this side to one side of the barricade and the police is to the other side of the barricade. All these people, of course, demanding that the rapists or the people who have been arrested should be hanged. That's the kind of sentiment we are getting. There's a lot of slogan shouting. There's a lot of speeches being made. So that's the situation over here. But of course, as we have been saying, the fact is that a while before this, there was a bit of unruliness where the police could not control these crowds who were trying to break these barricades. And then they had to use water cannons. So that's also a genuine concern that police and even we in the media are voicing, that these things should not get out of hand. Is there a requirement for these barricades to be broken? Is there a requirement for water cannons to be used? But at the moment, as I was saying, just to reflect the crowd to you, at least 4,000 to 5,000 people over here, like I said, all of them protesting against Delhi's gang rape and saying that they are not going to leave this place till they actually manage to get an audience with the top officer or till they actually manage some kind of a response from the government.
Smell of tear gas.
The situation here becoming bad once again. If my camera person can just pan those shots, it had become better over the last 2 or 3 hours, but again you have a situation where tear gas is being fired. In fact, the protesters over here getting into a confrontation with the police force over here once again, and that is why you have a situation where some people have been lathi charged by the force again, and a bit of tear gas shelling has also happened. That means that this crowd has once again dispersed, and some are still picking up fights with the rapid action force and the police force on display. In fact, some people have been injured. This here lady that you see over here also injured in what just happened. And if I can ask my camera person to show you that side, the other side, if I can ask my camera person to show you that side. Well, you can also see a lot of people here also getting a bit agitated. If you can see some people here getting agitation. You can see over here a lot of anger over here. Like I said, lot of anger over here. Lot of people here actually now getting into confrontations with the police again, and that is causing another round of tear gas shelling. In fact, I just like you to come, Stephen, just a little bit here, and see some people actually trying to control that crowd. That gentleman that you see over there, actually trying that this violence does not happen. But not many people are actually listening. A lot of people here are actually going on. A lot of people here are actually going on pelting stones. A lot of people here are actually going on confronting the police, and that is causing a lot of violence. I'll just ask my camera person to just come in front again and show you these visuals over here. Again, you have a situation where lots of confrontation happening. So, like I said, once again, the situation becoming very tense again. With camera person Stephen Anthony, Alok Pandey, NDTV.
After several rounds of tear gas shells being fired, after several rounds of water cannons being fired at the protesters remain to be here. We now see police taking a more aggressive turn. If you can see behind me, more and more police officials and some of the most senior officials inside the Delhi police have now come here on these barricades with helmets on, and you know, wearing proper safety jackets in order to tell these people that this will not be tolerated anymore. What we also saw a little while back were banners being showed by Delhi police where they said that all this, the people being accumulated here, people gathered here, all this is considered illegal, and that immediately they do not vacate the place, they will be taking appropriate legal action against them.
Absolute anarchy here. Absolute anarchy at North Block. I'm just going to ask my camera person to give you shots. It's this crowd that has been engaging these people and forcing the police to act. This is something that we are not exaggerating. This crowd has been trying to engage with the cops. They have been provocating them. They have been trying to go towards Parliament. This is something that means actively engaging. If I can just show you this, all these people here are actually actively now engaging with the cops and are clashing with them. So those are the kind of scenes we are witnessing here. Very, very bad scenes. A lot of these people now abusing the cops and actually trying to engage with them, forcing the cops to now actually engage with these people. So a lot of violence actually happening over here, something that is perhaps unwarranted, that should not happen. But all these people here, the cops to that side, if I can show you, and the crowd to this side. If Madan, you can go back to the crowd here, actively now clashing with the cops. And it's actually a very, very, very tense situation right now. And that's what we have been talking about. Huge amount of chaos here.
What you see behind me are policemen again getting into intense lathi charge after they fired a few shells of tear gas. What happened, we know, is that the mob really got out of hand. They were throwing stones, they were throwing bottles and whatever they could in their hand. And here you can see that the mob again throwing stuff. You can see a lot of stone pelting happening. Oh God!
Violence cannot be answered with the violence, but government need to take the action. Where is it? Where is the government? Any official? No government official was here. No minister was here.